So I'm back in our finished project, basically in the same state as we had once we deployed it. And there, obviously, if we run our application, it looks like this. We have our burger builder, we can authenticate through Firebase, so by simply entering our credentials, logging in, and then we can start building the burger as we always did it throughout this course. So nothing spectacular here. If we have a look at the code, which should be familiar to you, we handle all these asynchronous tasks, or actually any side effects, even synchronous ones. So things that are not directly related to changing our Redux store. We handle all these things in action creators. So here I'm in the auth actions file where I have all auth related action creators. We get a couple of synchronous ones here, but then we also have things like accessing local storage and logout, which is a synchronous action, I will give you that, but which you could argue, and again, that's not necessarily a best practice, but you could argue that this is not really related to the act of dispatching an action. So maybe you don't want to have it in this file. And we also have asynchronous actions, like check off timeout, where we have a timeout we set and where we then dispatch logout after a certain expiration time. And we reach out to the web, we make post requests, and obviously we have to wait for these to finish. So all these are things which we have in the action creators, and as I said multiple times, that's not necessarily bad, but you could make the argument that you want action creators or the whole idea of dispatching actions to be very clean, that you don't want to have any other code in there which is not really related to dispatching an action. And this is where Redux Saga comes in. So first of all, let's install it so that we can see how it works. So I will run npm install -- save, and then it's redux-saga. That's the package name. And this will, as always, download it, place an entry in the package.json file, and then give us access to it in this project. And I will restart the development server with npm start again. Now we can start working on the project, and we can start using Redux Saga. Let's do this beginning in the next video.